Remove the plastic film from the existing adhesive. Do your best not to touch this. This is a digitizer. There's sensitive electronics in there. Comes off like that. And one more over here. Okay. So another piece over here. Normally I'd use my nails, but since I have rubber gloves on, we can't use our nails, so we'll use like the pry blade. As we're using a pry blade, we don't want to dig too deep in because they could chip that paint. I'm going to fold this backward like that. We have rubber gloves, so it won't cause any sort of residue to be left behind on the glass. Now this connector over here is one of the toughest connectors around because the pins are very delicate for the iPad mini. And another problem, sometimes when manufacturing these pins, we have to inspect it ahead of time, but these pins sometimes come bent. When these pins are bent, it'll cause these to bend. Once it happens, the whole entire iPad mini is pretty much gone.
Excuse me, what?
Sir?
Would you mind helping me document this repair? My phone decided not to work anymore. Because WhatsApp, I think, is overdone it. And I've tried doing everything, deleting stuff, it doesn't want to work.
You jammed up, huh? Jammed up with one too many videos, huh? Sir, how are you?
Good.
Good.
And I don't want to delete anything from WhatsApp because we lose documentation.
At this point, we're going to power it up and test it, okay? So we see the LCD is firing up. Looks like it's still in good condition. While it is powering up, we will start installing these screws and panels.
Oh, you mean the actual ball in the car doesn't stick?
So we're going to go ahead and pause up the video.